Hi guys! Welcome sa Engineered Math Channel. So, ang topic natin ngayon is for differential calculus, which is about power rule, product rule, and quotient rule for derivatives of algebraic functions, part 2. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung part 1, ililink ko na lang sa description para ma-check nyo muna. Para meron na kayong idea or background about the lesson. So, ito yung mga na-discuss nating formula. So, tandaan nyo sila. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan. So, nakapag-solve na tayo ng problem sa part 1. Umabot tayo hanggang number 17. Okay. Tuloy lang natin. Let's have problem number 18. So, find dy over dx uli or first derivative of y with respect to x. 18. Find dy over dx at x is equal to 1 if y is 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus x to the fourth plus x to the fifth plus x to the sixth divided by x cubed. And so find dy over dx at x is equal to 1 if y is equal to 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus x to the fourth plus x to the fifth plus x to the sixth over x cubed. So, pwede muna natin gawin dito is, so hanapin natin yung derivative, di ba? Pero, i-distribute ko muna tong x cubed sa bawat term. Divide each term by x cubed. So, magiging y is equal to 1 over x cubed plus x over x cubed plus x squared over x cubed plus x cubed over x cubed plus x to the fourth over x cubed plus x to the fifth over x cubed plus x to the sixth over x cubed. Tapos, applying division law of exponent, pag nagdi-divide tayo ng same base x, ang gagawin is copy the base x and then subtract the exponent. Okay? Thank you, Jomer. So, dito sa una, yung y is equal to 1 over x cubed. Ito, wag na natin, gawin ko na lang siyang x to the negative 3. Negative law of exponent, di ba? Pag may x to the 1 over x to the m, it is equal to x to the negative m. Para ma-apply natin yung power rule mamaya. Plus, dito naman, x over x cube, bale, x raised to 1 minus 3. Negative 2. Okay? Plus x squared over x cubed, x raised to 2 minus 3. X to the negative 1. Plus x cubed over x cubed, so cancel nyo na lang, 1 na siya, right? Plus x raised to 4 minus 3, x to the first, or x na lang. Plus x raised to 5 minus 3, x squared plus x raised to 6 minus 3 x cubed. Yan. So, pwede na natin ma-differentiate, ma-derivative. Applying power rule, derivative of x to the n is nx to the n minus 1. So, isa-isay natin dy over dx, differentiate each term. So, sa x to the negative 3, power rule, baba yung exponent na negative 3. Then, x raised to negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. Then, ito, bababa yung exponent na negative 2. Then, x raised to negative 2 minus 1, power rule, negative 3. And then, baba yung negative 1. X raised to negative 1 minus 1, power rule, negative 2. Derivative nung 0, ay nung 1, constant, 0. O sige, wag natin isulat yung 0, 0 lang siya. Plus, derivative nung x to the first. Diba, ang derivative nung x to the first, or x by yung formula, shortcut formula sa taas, is 1. Okay, plus, derivative ng x squared, power rule, baba yung 2. Then, x raised to 2 minus 1. X to the first or x na lang. Plus, x cubed, power rule, baba yung exponent na 3. Then, x raised to 3 minus 1, 2. Yan. So, ito yung dy over dx. Kaso, pinapa-evaluate pa siya at x is equal to 1. So, dy over dx at x is equal to 1, ibig sabihin, papalitan nyo yung mga x ng 1. So, magiging constant na yung sagot natin dito. Ito yung parang slope ng tangent line to the curve at the given point where x coordinate is 1. So, negative 3, 1 to the negative 4, papalitan nyo yung mga x ng 1. Minus 2, 1 to the negative 3, minus 1. Or ito, kahit, huwag nyo lagyan ng 1. Kahit minus 1 to the negative 2 na lang. Plus 1, plus 2 times 1, plus 3 times 1 squared. So, negative 3, kapag 1 yung base nyo, kahit anong exponent niya, 1 pa rin yun, right? Minus 2, ito rin. So, lahat ng may mga exponent na may base 1 na reason sa mga negative exponent or any exponent, 1 yan. So, bali negative 2 times 1, ito 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 times 1. So, magiging negative 3 minus 2, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Diba na-cancel lang? 0. So, dy over dx at x is equal to 1 is 0. Okay? Application lang ng power rule. Okay, next. Number 19. Find dy over dx at x is equal to 1 if y is 1 minus x, 1 plus x, 1 plus x squared, and 1 plus x to the fourth. Yan. So, meron tayong mga products ng binomials. Para hindi natin applyan ng power rule, ay ng product rule, kasi masyadong mahaba yan. I-expand muna natin. Although, pwede nyo gamitan ng product rule. Mamaya tayo magpa-product rule sa mga next examples. So, expand ko muna yung merong special product. Diba yung 1 minus x times 1 plus x, magiging ano siya? Difference of two squares. Diba? X plus y times x minus y is x squared minus y squared. So, square nyo yung first term, 1 square, minus square nung second term, x squared. Ito yon. Or magiging 1 squared is 1 na lang, minus x squared. Tas times 1 plus x squared, 1 plus x to the fourth. So, ito, another difference of two squares, special product, diba? So, square the first, 1 square, minus square the second, yung x squared. So, ano na siya? Magiging 1 squared, 1 pa rin. Tapos, x squared quantity squared Mumultiply nyo lang yung exponent, di ba, by power to power law. So, x to the 2 times 2, 4. Yan. Times 1 plus x to the 4th. So, another difference of 2 squares. So, y is square the first 1 square minus square the second x to the 4th square. So, simplifying, 1 square is 1 minus x to the 4th square power to power law ulit, x raised to 4 times 2, 8. So, ito lang pala yung y kapag sinimplify. 1 minus x to the 8. So, mas madaling i-power rule, right? So, i-derivative na natin using power rule. Derivative nung 1, di ba, constant si 1, so 0 yung derivative niyan. Minus derivative nung x to the 8 power rule ulit, baba yung exponent na 8, and then x raised to 8 minus 1. So, magiging 7, x to the 7. Or, simply, dy over dx, so 0 lang naman yan, bali negative 8x to the 7. So, pinapa-evaluate pa tong derivative at x is equal to 1. So, dy over dx evaluated at x is equal to 1. Papalitan nyo ngayon yung x ng 1. Negative 8 times 1 to the 7. Negative 8, 1 to the 7 is still 1. So, negative 8 times 1, negative 8. So, the answer is negative 8. Okay, 19. Next, number 20. For number 20, find dy over dx at x is equal to 1 if y is x to the 24 plus 2x to the 16 plus 3x to the 8 plus 4x to the 6th. Yan. So, differentiate lang muna natin. dy over dx, term by term, i-derivative natin. Power rule lang naman lahat yan. So, sa x to the 24th, baba yung 24 exponent. Then, x raised to 24 minus 1. Power rule. 23. Plus, derivative ng 2x to the 16. Actually, this is 12 pala, sorry. 2x to the 12. Yeah. So, baguhin ko lang ha. So, 2 times, bababa yung exponent na 2, ay na 12. So, 2 times 12, then x, etong 2 kinopya ko lang kasi constant siya. Tapos, derivative ng x to the 12, baba yung 12, and then x raised to 12 minus 1, 11. So, magiging ano na yan? 2 times 12, 24. Plus, sa dito naman, 3x cubed, o to the 8. So, bali yung 3 constant, kokopyahin nyo lang. Times sa derivative ng x to the 8 power rule, baba yung 8. Then, x raised to 8 minus 1. So, 24, x to the 7. Plus, ito naman, 4x to the 6. So, 4 copy times derivative ng x to the 6 power rule, baba yung 6. Then, x raised to 6 minus 1. So, 4 times 6, 24. X to the 6 minus 1, 5. Yan. So, ito yung derivative. Pero, pinapa-evaluate pa at x is equal to 1. So, dy over dx at x is equal to 1 is, so papalitan nyo lahat ng mga x ng 1. 24, 1 to the 23, plus 24, 1 to the 11, plus 24, 1 to the 7, plus 24, 1 to the 50. E di, yung lahat ng mga 1 raised to n exponent, 1 pa rin yun. So, 24 times 1, plus 24 times 1, plus 24 times 1, plus 24 times 1. So, 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. So, bali, 4 na 24. 4 times 24, 16, 8, 9. 96. So, the answer is 96. Okay, next. Number 21. Y is x plus 1, x 2x minus 1. Yan. So, wala na tong, hindi na siya pinapa-evaluate at any value of x. Hanapin lang talaga natin yung pinaka-derivative. So, eto, meron tayong two methods. Introduce ko na sa inyo yung product rule. So, yung one method yon yung product rule. Tapos, yung isang method is, sige, dito muna tayo sa method 1, yung nakasanayan natin. Kapag kaya ng mga expand, pwede nyo i-expand para ma-power rule nyo each term. Expand muna natin tong x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. So, by FOIL method, x times 2x, 2x squared, x times negative 1, negative x, 1 times 2x, 2x, then 1 times negative 1, negative 1. So, y is 2x squared. Combine natin yung negative x plus 2x, positive x minus 1. So, tsaka nyo i-differentiate to term by term using power rule. So, dy over dx is sa derivative ng 2x squared. So, copy mo na yung 2 na constant. Then, power rule. Sa derivative ng x squared apply. Baba yung 2. Then, x raised to 2 minus 1. X to the first or simply x na lang. So, 2 times 2, 4. So, 4x ang derivative ng 2x squared. Plus, derivative ng x. So, by shortcut, ang derivative ng x shortcut formula sa taas, 1. Diba? Minus 1, derivative niyan, 0. So, therefore, wag na sulat yung minus 0. 4x plus 1 na agad. Okay? Tapos, yung method 2, sige, introduce ko na yung product rule. Yung method 2, using product rule, kung yung y natin is a product ng dalawang functions, yung sa list ng formula sa taas, sa product rule, ang derivative ng uv, product ng u and v, where u and v are both functions of x, it is equal to u times dv over dx plus v times du over dx. So, it's up to you anong i-assign yung u at v kasi dalawa, 'di ba? Kaya product rule naka-multiply yung dalawang functions. Pwede niyo i-consider as one function yung x plus 1, another function yung 2x minus 1. So, pwede niyo i-assign, sige, si u na lang yung x plus 1, tapos si v na lang yung 2x minus 1. So, therefore, applying product rule, so copy the u is x plus 1 times the derivative ng v, 2x minus 1, plus copy the v, 2x minus 1, times the derivative of u, which is x plus 1. So, saka nyo i-apply yung natutunan natin sa derivative. Dito sa derivative ng 2x minus 1, sa derivative ng 2x, so copy yung 2, constant, times derivative ng x1, minus derivative ng 1 constant, 0 lang. Plus 2x minus 1, times derivative ng x plus 1, sa derivative ng x1, plus derivative ng 1 na constant, 0. So, simplifying x plus 1 times 2 times 1 minus 0, 2, plus 2x minus 1 times 1 plus 0, 1. So, pwede nyo i-distribute yung 2. 2x plus 2. 2x minus 1 times 1. 2x minus 1 pa rin. So, combine 2x plus 2x, 4x, plus 2 minus 1, 1. So, same lang ba? Yes, same lang yan. 4x plus 1. Okay, next. Number 22. Number 22, y is 3x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 2. Sige, again, pwede nyo i-expand kasi pwede naman ma-expand yan, madali lang. Or i-product rule na lang natin. So, sanayin natin ngayon yung product rule. So, dy over dx magiging, so ito si u, ito si v. Ang formula, okay, derivative ng uv is u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So, kakopy ko muna si u, 3x squared minus 1 times the derivative ng v, x squared plus 2, plus, copy the v, x squared plus 2 times the derivative ng u, 3x squared minus 1. So, 3x squared minus 1, applying derivative formula. Derivative ng x squared, 2x, power rule. Plus, derivative ng 2, 0. Plus x squared plus 2 times derivative ng 3x squared minus 1. So, 3 times derivative ng x squared, 2x ulit. So, 3 times 2 magiging 6. So, 6x. Minus derivative ng 1, 0. So, ano na lang? 3x squared minus 1 times 2x na lang to. Plus x squared plus 2, ito, 6x na lang. Yan. So, pwede nyo ngayong i-distribute yung 2x. Ito rin yung 6x, distribute nyo. So, 3x squared times 2x, 6x cubed, right? Tapos, negative 1 times 2x, negative 2x. Then, x squared times 6x, 6x cubed, plus 2 times 6x, 12x. So, pwedeng ma-combine yung 6x cubed plus 6x cubed. 12x cubed, negative 2x plus 12x, positive 10x. Okay? Gusto nyo naka-factor, pwede rin. Factor out nyo si, sa 12 and 10, 2 lang, no? 2 sa x cubed and xx. So, 12x cubed divided by 2x, 6x squared, plus 10x divided by 2x, so 5. Yan. So, pwedeng ito or ito. Number 23. Y is x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 1. Ito, mas madali sana kung kung i-ano natin, kung i-expand kasi difference of two squares, right? Pero, wag natin gawin yon, mag-product rule tayo. Okay? Product rule. So, ang gagamitin nating formula, ito ulit. Derivative ng u and v, product ng uv is u dv over dx plus v times du over dx. So, assign ko to as u, assign ko to as v. Okay? So, copy the u, which is x squared plus 1 times derivative ng v, x squared minus 1 plus copy the v, x squared minus 1 times derivative ng u, x squared plus 1. So, x squared plus 1 times, applying power rule, derivative ng x squared is 2x, minus derivative ng 1, 0. plus x squared minus 1 times derivative ng x squared plus 1. So, sa x squared, derivative niyan, 2x ulit, plus derivative ng 1 constant, 0. So, magiging x squared plus 1 times 2x na lang to. Plus x squared minus 1 times 2x na lang din yan. So, i-distribute natin yung 2x. So, x squared times 2x, 2x cubed. Plus 1 times 2x, 2x. Plus x squared times 2x, 2x cubed. Then minus 1 times, or negative 1 times 2x, negative 2x. So, combine natin tong 2x cubed plus 2x cubed, 4x cubed. Tapos ito makakancel, 2x minus 2x. So, dy over dx is 4x cubed. Or, kapag dinifference of 2 squares nga, mas madali, diba? Bale, square nyo yung x squared squared, minus square nyo yung 1 squared. So, bale, ano na to? X to the 4th. So, y is x to the 4th minus 1. Pag dinerivative nyo, kuha agad as 4x cubed minus 0 or simply 4x cubed. Okay? Same lang. Next, number 24. 24, y is x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. So, dy over dx, i-product rule uli natin. Assign nyo si x plus 1 as u, si x squared minus x plus 1 as v. So, dy over dx, applying product rule, copy the u, x plus 1, times the derivative of v, which is x squared minus x plus 1, plus copy the v, x squared minus x plus 1, times the derivative of u, which is x plus 1. So, x plus 1 times derivative ng x squared minus x plus 1. Term by term, derivative natin. Derivative ng x squared 2x minus derivative ng x, diba 1? Plus derivative ng 1, 0. Plus x squared minus x plus 1 times derivative ng x, 1, plus derivative ng 1, 0. So, simplifying x plus 1 times, ano na to? 2x minus 1 na lang. And then, plus x squared minus x plus 1 times 1, right? So, pwede nyo i-expand ito. FOIL. X times 2x, 2x squared. X times negative 1, negative x. 1 times 2x, 2x. Tapos, 1 times negative 1, negative 1. Ito, yung x squared minus x plus 1 times 1, ito pa rin siya, diba? Yung x squared minus x plus 1. May mako-combine ba tayo? Ito, si 2x squared plus x squared 3x squared. Okay, tapos combining x. Ito, negative x plus 2x x minus x. So, cancel na sila. Wala na, 0 na. Tas negative 1 plus 1, 0. So, ito lang pala yung sagot. Kasi, di ba, pag shortcut formula nyo to, di ba ano to, special product yan, x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1, equal lang yan saan? Sa special product sa algebra. Sum of 2 cubes. X cube plus 1 cube. Cube nyo yung x cube. Cube nyo yung 1 cube. So, kaya x cube plus 1. Ito yon. So, ang y pala natin is x cube plus 1 lang pag sinimplify. Pag dinerivative nyo yan, dy over dx. Derivative nung x cube. Power rule 3x squared. plus derivative ng 1, 0. So, 3x squared nga lang talaga. Diba? 3x squared ang sagot. Okay. Next number, ano na tayo? 25 na tayo. 25, y is 3x squared plus 6 times 2x minus 1/4. So, dy over dx is, so product rule ulit. So, eto si u, eto si v. So, copy the u, 3x squared plus 6 times derivative ng v, 2x minus 1/4 plus copy the v, 2x minus 1/4 times derivative of u, 3x squared plus 6. Yan. So, 3x squared plus 6 times the derivative of 2x minus 1/4. Ang derivative ng 2x, so copy yung 2, constant, times derivative ng x, 1, minus derivative ng 1/4, constant, 0, plus 2x minus 1/4. So, derivative ng 3x squared plus 6, derivative muna ng 3x squared. So, copy yung 3 constant, times derivative ng x squared power rule, 2x. So, 6x, plus derivative ng 6 constant, 0. So, 3x squared plus 6 times 2 times 1 minus 0, 2, plus 2x minus 1/4 times 6x plus 0, 6x. Yan. So, pwede nating i-distribute yung 2 tsaka yung 6x. Multiply. 3x squared times 2. 6x squared plus 6 times 2, 12. Plus 2x times 6x. 12x squared minus 1/4 times 6x, 6/4 x, or in lowest term ng 6/4, 3/2. Tapos, combining similar terms, 6x squared plus 12x squared, 18x squared. Tapos ito, copy ko muna yung x term, negative 3/2 x, then yung constant, 12. Yan na yung sagot. Okay, 25. Next, 26. Y is 2 minus x minus 3x cubed times 7 plus x to the 5th. So, dy over dx is, so, product rule. Assign nyo yung u as ito, tas v ito. So, applying product rule, copy the u, 2 minus x minus 3x cubed times the derivative of v, yung 7 plus x to the 5th, plus copy the v, 7 plus x to the 5th, times the derivative ng u, 2 minus x minus 3x cubed. Minus 3x cubed. Yan. So, copy lang yung 2 minus x minus 3x cubed. Tas derivative natin to. Derivative ng 7, constant 0. Plus derivative ng x to the 5th power rule. Baba yung 5. then x raised to 5 minus 1, 5x to the 4th, plus 7 plus x to the 5th, times derivative neto, derivative ng 2, 0, minus derivative ng x1, minus 3x cubed, derivative niyan is, so copy yung 3 constant, then times the derivative ng x cubed is 3, x raised to 3 minus 1, or x squared. So, 3 times 3, magiging 9 na yan. 9x squared. Yan. So, simplifying, ano na lang to, 2 minus x minus 3x cubed, 5x to the 4th na lang yan. Plus 7 plus x to the 5th. Ito, cancel nyo na yung 0. Bale, negative 1 times negative 1 minus 9x squared. Yan. So, pwede natin yung i-foil. Ito, i-foil. Ito, di-distribute. So, 2 times 5x to the 4th is 10x to the 4th. Negative x times 5x to the 4th. Negative 5x to the 5th. Negative 3x cubed times 5x to the 4th. Negative 15x to the 7. Right? Ito, i-foil ko yan. 7 times negative 1, negative 7. 7 times negative 9x squared, negative 63x squared. X to the 5th times negative 1, negative x to the 5th. X to the 5th times negative 9x to the 2nd, negative 9x to the 7th. And combining similar terms, yung pinakamataas munang exponent is yung to the 7th, no? Dalawa. Negative 15 minus negative 9. Negative 24. Next, mataas na exponent yung to the 5th. So, negative 5x to the 5th minus x to the 5th. Negative 6x to the 5th. Next, yung to the 4th, wala nang mako-combine, copy lang, plus 10x to the 4th. Tapos, wala na rin mako-combine. Next, yung negative 63x squared. Then, yung constant, negative 7. Yan na yung sagot natin. $26, $27. Sige. Y is x cubed plus 7x squared minus 8 times 2x to the negative 3 plus x to the negative 4. So, dy over dx, applying product rule. So, ito si u, ito si v. So, copy muna natin yung u. X cubed plus 7x squared minus 8 times derivative nung v, 2x to the negative 3 plus x to the negative 4 plus, copy the v, 2x to the negative 3 plus x to the negative 4 times derivative ng u, x cubed plus 7x squared minus 8. So, x cubed plus 7x squared minus 8, copy. Derivative natin tong 2x to the negative 3 plus x to the negative 4. So, ito munang 2x to the negative 3. So, yung 2 constant, copy. times the derivative ng x to the negative 3 power rule. So, baba nyo yung exponent na negative 3 times x raised to negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. So, 2 times negative 3, negative 6. So, negative 6x to the negative 4. Derivative nito. Plus, derivative ng x to the negative 4. So, bababa yung negative 4 power rule na exponent. And then, x raised to negative 4 minus 1, negative 5. Yan. So, negative 4x to the negative 5. Tapos, plus 2x to the negative 3 plus x to the negative 4. Derivative naman ito. Ito, derivative ng x cube. Power rule, 3x, baba yung 3, x raised to 3 minus 1, 2, 3x squared. Then plus 7, constant copy, times derivative ng x squared, 2x, right? So, magiging 14x minus derivative ng 8, constant 0. O, wag natin sulat yung 0. So, kapag sinimplify natin, sige, expand natin. So, ito muna, x cubed times negative 6x to the negative 4, negative 6x to the, diba add nyo exponent, 3 plus negative 4, negative 1. Tapos, 7x squared times negative 6x to the negative 4, negative 42, x squared times x to the negative 4, x to the 2 plus negative 4, negative 2. Tapos, negative 8 times negative 6 to the negative x to the negative 4, positive 48, x to the negative 4. Tapos ito naman, so x cubed times negative 4x to the negative 5, negative 4x to the 3 plus negative 5, negative 2. Negative 4 times 7, negative 28, x raised to 2 plus negative 5, negative 3. Tas negative 8 times negative 4, positive 32, x to the negative 5. Ito naman, i-foil natin, 2x to the negative 3 times 3x squared, 6, x to the negative 3 plus 2, negative 1. Next, 2x to the negative 3 times 14x, positive 28x raised to the first, diba? So, negative 3 plus 1, negative 2. Plus x to the 4 times 3x squared, 3x raised to negative 4 plus 2, negative 2. Then plus x to the negative 4 times 14x to the first, 14x to the negative 4 plus 1, negative 3. Yung mga similar terms, i-combine natin. May yung mga same same variable and exponent. Ito pwede, 'di ba? Negative 6 plus 6, 0, cancel. May to the negative 1 pa ba? Wala na. Sa x to the negative 2, ito, tsaka ito, so, ilan to? Negative 42 minus 14, negative 46. Tapos ito, 28 plus 3, 31. So, negative 15. So, negative 15 x to the negative 2. Sa x cube naman, etong dalawa, no? Negative 28 plus 14, negative 14 x to the negative 3. Sa ano pa ba? Ito pa pala, yung negative x to the negative 4, may mako-combine ba? Wala, no? So, kokopyahin ko lang. 48 pala, sorry. 48. Tapos, meron pa ba? Ito. Okay na to. Ito, si x to the negative 5, wala na, no? X to the 32, copy ko lang, 32x to the negative 5. Yan. Kung gusto nyong naka-positive exponent, bale, negative 15 over x squared minus 14 over x cubed plus 48 over x to the 4th plus 32x to the 5th. Yan. Tapos, pag gusto nyong combine as a single fraction, ang LCD is x to the 5th. So, x to the 5th divided by x squared, x cubed. So, times negative 15, negative 15x cubed minus x to the 5th divided by x cubed, x squared times negative 14, negative 14x squared plus x to the 5th divided by x to the 4th, x times 48, 48x plus x to the 5th time divided by x to the 5th 1 times 32, 32. So, pwedeng ito or yan. Depende sa inyo. So, nakasolve na tayo ng 27. So, siguro hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Tuloy na lang natin part 3. Abangan nyo yung part 3 netong lesson for the topic. Ang topic natin is power rule, product rule, and quotient rule for derivatives of algebraic functions. So, subscribe na kayo sa ating YouTube channel, Engineered Math, and click the notification bell para manonotify kayo pag may uploaded tayong bagong video tutorials. So, lilink ko na lang sa description yung mga past video tutorials natin, pati yung pinaka-playlist ng differential calculus para mapanood nyo lahat ng mga videos natin simula sa unang lesson hanggang sa dulong lessons nyo for differential calculus. Para meron na kayong video tutorial playlist guide from our YouTube channel para sa buong subject nyo ng differential calculus. Pwede nyo nang i-binge watch, i-marathon, pag kailangan nyong advanced study or mag-review kapag may exam kayo. Panoorin nyo lang yung playlist ko sa YouTube. Differential calculus. Okay? So, good luck sa mga nagte-take ng differential calculus. Kayang-kaya nyo yan. Basta practice lang, solve lang ng maraming problems. And nood kayo ng video tutorials ko sa YouTube. Gawin nyo lang guide yan. Yung playlist ko sa DiffCal. Sunod-sunod na yung videos nyan. Para mas malaki yung chance nyo to pass the differential calculus. Okay, sige. See you on my next video tutorial. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.